If you want to start a YouTube channel, or already have, there's one thing most people skip. It's the reason many never reach 1,000 subscribers. Or worse, burn out and quit. It's not about cameras, niche, or even the algorithm. It's something more basic, but far more important. Without it, you can't build a strategy that truly fits you. I see this all the time. Someone gets excited after watching creators for months or years. They finally decide to start. Maybe they buy a camera, stay up late picking a name, design a banner, make their first video, and then nothing. Or they post a few videos, enjoy it at first, but the views stay low and growth is slow. They start doubting themselves. Should I change my niche? Is my content good enough? Should I also post on TikTok? Eventually, they stop uploading. Not because they're lazy or untalented, but because they never knew what they were actually working toward. I've been there myself. I started because I wanted to try something new, but I never asked myself why I was doing it. So when things got hard, when the excitement faded, I had no direction. Without a clear purpose, even the best strategy won't help you. This is what most people don't want to hear. If you don't know why you're starting a YouTube channel, you won't last. You'll keep switching ideas, chasing trends, and comparing yourself to everyone else. It's like building a house with no blueprint. How can you plan your content if you don't know your goal? How do you stay motivated when you don't even know where you're trying to go? Most new creators focus on the what. What camera should I buy? What niche should I choose? What editing software should I use? These questions matter, but only after you figure out your why. Your why gives you clarity and direction. It helps you create a strategy that fits you. If your goal is to earn money through AdSense, your approach will be completely different than someone who wants to build a personal brand or sell a course. Once you know your why, everything becomes clearer. There will be weeks where your video gets only a few views, a few likes, or no comments at all. During those weeks, a strategy alone won't keep you going. Your why will. That's why I ask every person in my mentoring program one simple question. What is your why? Not to sound deep, but because that answer shapes everything. If your goal is to get monetized and reach 1,000 subscribers, that's great. But why do you want that? Is it to start a side hustle, help others, build confidence, or create freedom? Your answer helps build a plan that fits your life, your strengths, and your story. When someone enters mentoring with that clarity, everything changes. So here's my challenge for you. Before you record your next video or start your channel, take 5 minutes. No distractions, no strategy videos. Ask yourself honestly, why am I doing this? Not what sounds good to others, but your real reason. You may not know the full answer yet, and that's okay.